Day to everybody. Today I'm doing a little review on a fully re-leathered WWE Replica World Heavyweight Championship. I do believe this is the first fully re-leathered TV accurate replica belt that's been done. In my previous video on my channel you'll have seen the short review I did of the actual plates, so I thought I'd do another one where the plates are now installed on a real leather strap. We'll move and start on the male snap box. On this one I did a full TV accurate Velcro upgrade with the fake snaps put through the Velcro as well. You can see where my artwork that I've done, which is as close as it can be to the replica strap, is pressed in the nice lion design there. Moving across, I can see where obviously I've done the hand stitching all the way around the edge of the strap. You'll see obviously there's no WWE logo there, but the rest of the artwork is there. The leather's obviously been hand tooled all the way around the edge of the strap. Just standard beveling. It's a bit of a shame really that the artwork's so nice but you can't hardly see any of it due to the plates being so big. Bit of a waste really, but I've got another strap here behind me that's ready for plates, so you can see the artwork in all its glory. You might have also noticed that I've front mounted my Seth Rollins side plates with the Chicago screws, which are hidden on the rear of the leather, so there's no screws at all on show on this belt apart from the tip itself. I haven't re-stoned this belt. It's something I might do in the future, but I just thought the stones were pretty good anyway, so save a bit of money there. A bit more there of the pressed artwork and a bit of tooling. This side I had to obviously add a bit of extra stitching to hold the Velcro on the rear, and then no tooling there on the tip area, it's just plain. I'll now flip the belt over and you can have a look from the back, and I'll show you another send out strap that I've got ready. So here's another strap that I've already done tooled and pressed and hand stitched. It's now ready for plates going on. This one's having Velcro as well, so I haven't yet got to that stage, but this is what the full belt that I've done already looked like before I added plates and Velcro. I'm taking orders at the minute on these. I'm up to about 10 already. Most people are going for black, but I have got a couple going for brown with white stitching instead of the black on black. I'll go back to the other belt now. Show you the flexibility of the strap and the Velcro stuck together and things of that nature. See all the detail there of the artwork on the female snap box, all hand stitched. See the flexibility of the strap already. Really nice belt. I'm also working on a load of undisputed belts now that they've landed on UK shores. I'm actually doing a lot of international orders now as well, so don't be shy if you're wanting to make an order. Ship anywhere worldwide. So yeah, there we have a WWE World Heavyweight fully re-leathered. Just take a look at that Velcro actually, it's one thing I haven't shown. So we have a nice Velcro patch with the Velcro. Really strong. Really heavy belt. Probably my favourite belt now. Really awesome. If you're wanting to place an order or make any inquiries on any other leather work, go to my website DRIPBELTS.com. Also on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Thanks for watching.